Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can play various demo matches to try out hero abilities on the Dota 2 game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Dota 2 game on your PC, and once you are taken into the homepage, you can immediately start your match by clicking on the play button. Now if you are new to the game and you wish to be familiar with the various heroes, then click on the hero option at the top section. You will now enter this page where you can find all of the heroes that have been unlocked. Click on any hero and you can now see their attributes. Now if you wish to get familiar with this hero, then click on the demo hero button. As soon as you click on this, you will be taken into a simulated match where you can try out the abilities of your hero that you have chosen. You can check out all of the spells and abilities and test it out with various opponents. Once you are done testing your hero, you can click on the quit button. This will then take you back into the hero page where you can once again cycle through the various other heroes that are available and play a demo for all of them. It is recommended that you try this feature first if you're just starting out with the game. Through this method, you can learn the various abilities and moves of all of the heroes and use them in your real matches. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to demo your heroes on the Dota 2 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.